Okay, we're continuing confidence intervals for population proportions. So among 238 cell phone users aged 18 to 24, surveyed by a research center, 102 said their phone was an Android phone. What is a point estimate for the population proportion of cell phone owners this age who have an Android phone? Well, our point estimate is our sample proportion. Which is x divided by n. N is the total surveyed, your total sample size. It was 102 that have Androids. So 102 out of our sample of 238 have Androids. Top divided by bottom. So I'm going to round this to 3 decimal places. It's going to go up to 9. 0.429. That's our estimate for the true population proportion that we don't have. So we're going to construct a 95% confidence interval. So I do like to find, well, if 42.9% own Androids, what's left over? I'm going to find this number before I plug it into my formula. 0.571. Then to construct my confidence interval, I'm going to take my sample proportion and add and subtract the margin of error, which is my critical z value times my standard error. And now I have this, I have my n. I just need my critical z value for 95%. Confidence is gonna be 1.960. Confidence level, z. So the margin of error times so the sample proportion times its complement. Now again, I like to put this piece in the calculator first. Second square root. I'm going to make sure my numerator is all included in parentheses. 0.429 times 0.571. Close the numerator. Divide by my denominator. Get out from under my square root. Times that by my critical value. So my margin of error is 0.063, rounded to 3 decimal places. Now I'm going to add and subtract that to my sample proportion, which is 0.429. .429 plus 0.063, 0.492, 0.429 minus 0.063, 0.366. So we are 95% confident that the true population proportion of Android users are somewhere between these numbers, which is about 36.6% to 49.2%. Again, you're going to leave them in decimals for an exam, but this is what it means. So assume an advertisement claims that 45% of cell phone owners aged 18 to 24 have an Android phone. Does this confidence interval contradict this claim? No, it doesn't. 45 falls in this interval. Our interval does not contradict. Nope. 45% falls in the interval.